What's up everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to be doing a open box and a real life use of the Max Grip traction pads. Let's take a look at the box. So we have the Max Grip traction pads. This is how it came in the mail. It didn't come in any other box but this one from Amazon. I got it off Amazon. You can either purchase from Amazon or the company direct. So we are going to be testing it out on my 2018 Nissan Titan, and I have BF Goodrich KO2s. They are 275/70 18s, and we're gonna get stuck. All right, so let's do the unboxing of the Max Grip traction pads. So I got my knife. Open the box. Cool. Inside the box, having a problem, we can fix all the problems, but you can, if you're relate to the product, you can purchase from us, reach out to us, and we'll get back to you right away. So cool. Got a little card. We have instructions for the vehicle. Cool. So we have spare parts. It's a sticker. I think it's a sticker. All right, let's check out how the quality of the bag is. Nice. The material feels sturdy. Let's check out the zippers. Let's do the zipper test, like go up and down, up and down. If it gets stuck. It looks like it's waterproof material too. Check out the patch. Off-roading. I'll take a picture of that and put it right there. Okay. Ta-da! Oh, wow. Look at these teeth. This is awesome, guys. That is awesome. Alright. We got 2 of them. I'll put the price in the description. So just in case the teeth go missing, we have more right here you can screw in. So yeah, these 2 traction boards, pads, check them out. Feels sturdy. Probably like 5 pounds each, I believe. Let me see if the instructions say how much they weigh. I don't see it right there, but all right, they look sturdy. So I'm gonna do 2 tests. So I'm gonna get stuck, and then we're gonna use them, and then the next I'm gonna just on a flat surface see how durable they are, just to go over them and see if they break or how they flex. All right, guys, let's go check it out. What I'm guessing these ropes are for, because in the instructions it doesn't say, to tie it around here, so when, say you're stuck in mud, that you can just pick it up out of the mud instead of trying to dig it out. You have the rope right here, the string to pull it out. So I tied it on both, just looped it through the hole, and let's go check it out, guys. All right, so we're gonna place the traction boards right under. And then one on the other side. So we're gonna go slow and show how it works. Let's go. So it grabs traction, goes over it. There it goes over. The durability of them, it's pretty awesome. No cracks, nothing. Awesome quality, guys. Awesome quality. So I'm not stuck. I'm just gonna see how well how long actually the car can be on top of here. So put it right here. I'm gonna drive on it and stay on there for a bit and then drive off of it. See if it cracks or flexes or any wrinkles in the material. So it's on it. I don't see any stress or anything like that on the material. Set up perfectly. 100% I recommend this product. 100%. All right guys, so from the stress test, product came back perfect. No spider webbing, nothing. All the little knobs, teeth are still intact. Of course, this is my first time use, so maybe over and over and over again, then you'll see the stress test. I might do a 1 month review. You know what? I will do a 1 month review of the product, but amazing product. I'm gonna put them back in the, well, not back in the bag because they didn't come in the bag, but I'm gonna put them in the bag, and yeah. So I'll put the extra teeth in here, like the extra hardware. Let's do this. Open this up. Do one at a time. Amazing product, guys. I do recommend. The link will be in the description. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.